Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download Metatrader 5 for PC from Forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to this platform over here. So how you get here is just go to your web browser and just search for Forex or Forex.com and press enter. Then to this first link, go over here. Then you will be redirected directly to this particular platform. So now what you're going to do is just go to your top menu and this platform and tools drop down menu, and over here on trading platforms you'll see MetaTrader 5. Just go over here below. It will might take some time, so have some patience guys. And then come on. Okay, now you are in this particular platform, so just scroll a bit down, and over here you can see download MT5 option. Just press over here and you'll be in download trading platform option. So over here, download for MT5. If you have a Windows, just go with Windows. If you have Mac, just go for the Mac, and go for the Windows one because I have one Windows. So that's pretty much guys. Now you can see it's downloading over here. So that's how you do it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.